to cook the Chinese rice. For that I am boiling the carrot and peas, and here I am gonna make the yakhni, like soup broth for chicken. That include small salt, oil and water. Here I already boiled the cabbage and the capsicum. Here I put 2 cups of rice in a water to make it simmer, so that I can cook it for that. I have prepared everything before. This is 3 eggs I took. That includes salt, pepper, small amount of vinegar, small amount of soy sauce. And inshallah the rice will be made good. Now I'm waiting for the chicken and peas and carrot to be make it properly soft in water, and then I remove the these from that, and then I fry all the vegetables, inshallah. You will get a beautiful Chinese special recipe. It's a mixture of Chinese and Pakistani, so inshallah you will enjoy, inshallah. This is a very unique way of making Chinese, and inshallah you will enjoy the taste. Now I'm going to pour some amount of oil. This oil is olive oil, good for health, good for fitness. Now I'm going to boil the rice. After boiling rice I put 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 cup of vinegar, and then after boiling the water I put rice in small amount of. Now I'm going to add chicken in small amount of oil. Then I'm going to add this egg in that. Mix it well. Now slowly and gradually I'm going to add more and more vegetable in this. Be careful with the rice you are going to cook. It may not be go somewhere. Cook it very nicely, these eggs. If you want to put some bones, you can also add the bones, which are we can use, or you can throw. It's up to you, no problem. Then we are going to add all the vegetables into this slowly and gradually. I'm going to keep it at the side, and now slowly and gradually all the vegetable I'm going to pour in this. Very nice colorful texture you see. Don't forget to mix carefully. After that add some salt and black pepper, vinegar and black soya sauce. Slowly all the things. Mix it very nicely. This is the salt I'm going to add. This is the vinegar I'm going to add. This is the small amount of soya sauce I'm going to add. Mix it, cook it very nicely so that the eggs and the chicken, they are all going to be mashed together and soft too. All the vegetables soft and very nicely good to eat. Mix all the vegetable nicely. Check the rice too. Wow, alhamdulillah. The rice is also beautifully done. Small amount of water and one certain amount of time more to be cooked. Only 1 or 2 minutes it will be done. Close the lid and be careful with the vegetables. After completing this, all I'm going to mix all the vegetable with the rice. Very beautiful fragrance is coming out. I pour black pepper as well. This is beautifully cooked. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Hopefully when you cook at your home, you will enjoy. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe my channel. I try to do something different, that's why I cook Chinese today. I have used different shapes of vegetable in order to show the prominency what are the vegetable I'm going to use. That include peas, capsicum, cabbage and the carrot and the eggs and the chicken for the Chinese. This is the time to mix all rice, one layer of rice, and also going to pour one layer of another layer of vegetables, and then another layer of rice also. This is the beautiful final look for my Chinese recipe. Hopefully you like it, and now I will in the next video I will share you how to make the Manchurian rice. Sorry, how to make the chicken Manchurian. Thank you.